In this video, I will show you how to add Afterpay to Doordash. So as you know that Doordash is an online platform where you can buy home grocery and products. So simply what you need to do, how to add Afterpay to Doordash. So first of all, browse and choose your meal. So simply when you select your meal or product or anything, after that you want to proceed to checkout. So now you add delivery address and every information. After that, now in the payment section you have to select the payment method of Afterpay. So if Afterpay is allowed in your country, simply you have to select Afterpay as a payment method. So when you select the Afterpay as a payment method, so now you can pay with Afterpay. So these are very simple steps. So just by following all these steps, and if you have Afterpay account, you can simply integrate Afterpay to your Doordash.